Tallahassee's a small place that's great for experimentation. The nice thing about FSU, or at least that I've found, is that it's really flexible. You can like really figure out what you want to do and then who can help you do that.
We inspire a lot of independent thinkers.
Art provokes, and it provokes in any and every way.
FSU has allowed me the space and the time to devote to the ideas that I've had, to really let them grow.
It's just really cool how much everyone wants you to find what makes you happy.
I don't think I've ever felt so understood in a class, and I was like, wow, this is incredible to have a space where people are so open and accepting.
Being able to openly reach out to not just my advisor, but to other faculty members to get their input and advice, and their willingness to do that, I'm forever indebted to that.
I think with them, it's really about getting us to think outside of the box and to collaborate. Those are the kind of resources that you need and that are going to help you in any situation.
The idea that maybe someone might use knowledge that I've contributed to the profession was very intriguing and really inspiring.
I feel like I've become more of a leader, and that I have learned how to use my voice for others who feel that they can't, who feel that they aren't as empowered to.
We want people to have a voice. I think the challenging thing is finding out your voice. We encourage you to be interdisciplinary, and we encourage you to explore and push the limits of the medium and yourself.